Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another Softlex Company monthly mystery design kit. This kit retails for $34.99 and comes with everything you need minus tools. And on this card here is like a preview of what you would get in a kit like this in case you're new to this. And I've got this kit several times already and I've done several tutorials with it. But there's a little preview for you. Now I'm going to link down there below in the description bar, the website, www.softlexcompany.com. You will see that link down below. Alright, and here is a monthly challenge that they do, and if you want, you can read this and join this. Alright, so like I said, I will link down there the website, and I'm also going to link their YouTube channel and Facebook page. Now, every month they open this kit on YouTube and Facebook, so make sure you subscribe and check them out there. And they also do video tutorials on this kit. Okay, now I wanted to show you, this month they gave me a little project, make colorful earrings with Softlex wire, and I think they've already done video tutorials on this, but I just thought this was cute. And it looks like they're doing that guess how many beads are in a jar thing again. So if you want, you can scan that. So I think that's pretty cute. You can also pause this and you can follow the instructions if you want. And you can also just go to their YouTube channel because I think they have done tutorials on those earrings in the past. Alright, so let's go ahead, open this up. The theme for this month is called Badlands. Okay. I love the colors here. It's pretty. Now, the last kit that I got, I think it was called Grateful Heart, and I did bracelets with that kit. It was mostly, I did 3 different kinds of bracelets. That's right. I showed you how to do an elastic bracelet. I showed you how to do bead string wire, and I also did the macrame, which was my favorite one. I'll put a picture up of what I'm talking about in case you missed that tutorial. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. That pendant right there is really pretty. And it looks like we have yellow, which has always been a challenging color for me. And so I always like to, you know, try to up my game by working with things that are challenging. Jewelry making. Wow, that's pretty. Look at that. That's so pretty. Love the copper. So, what was it? February of 2022, they sent me a camp out kit, I think it was, and it had these colors in it. I loved it so much. Turquoise, dark blue, a yellowy, like mustardy orange color, like you see here, like this color. Anyways, I made an awesome necklace and bracelet with that. I'll put a picture up of the design I made with that kit. That was epic. Alright, so this looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to open this up. I don't want to rip the bags because I have to reuse them. And I will read over the list. Okay, first thing is Softlex copper color medium beading wire. I'm going to move this out of the frame though because it's white and it messes with the background. Oh my gosh, I don't think I have seen this one before. Copper color. That's beautiful. Very rich, classy looking. I love that. Okay, and then it's Softlex 2x2mm copper crimp tubes. What? I don't think I've ever seen these in copper. I've got gold, silver, and I think bronze. I don't think I've seen them in copper. And why do they look even thicker? Wait a second. It says 2x2. I was going to say, is this one? They're really thick. Super thick. I swear they look thicker than the silver ones. Okay. And then after that is copper ear wires with ball. And they're going to be in here. and they get stuck in the mat, so there we go. Okay. There we go. There they are. I don't think I've seen these in copper too. Is this my first time getting a copper kit like this? Those are pretty. I wonder if they're actually like copper wire, if they're coated. Okay, after that is check glass turquoise color rondelles. These are gem cut. These are beautiful. I've used this same exact color before to make, it was a ring or pendant. I would have to look through my pictures. So these are amazing quality. I talk about these all the time, how much I love them. They're really smooth, they're not sharp, and they are perfect for bead weaving. So that's what I love to do with them. And this color here is amazing. It looks like caramel. Let's see, is this going to be next? Check glass amber color rondelles. Those are beautiful. They make me want to eat candy. I love that color. Okay, also I thought it could have been cornelian. It kind of looks like cornelian. Okay, after that is Jesse James Custom Bead Mix. But I'm not going to open it. I'm going to save that for last because it's messy. And after that is Check Glass Orange Nugget Beads. These must be. I've never seen this shape. Wow, these are nice. It looks like it's a topaz to me, the color. So, check this out. It has long facets, okay, and then it has like a wide bottom, so kind of like teardrops, so it's small at the top, wide at the bottom. See this? That is a beautiful shape, and then from here it looks triangle, so that's a gorgeous shape. I like that a lot. Those are beautiful. And how many we got? 7? I think it was the last Soft Flex kit that I got. I had a whole bunch of oddball beads in this bag, which was weird because usually they give us pairs. So we'll have like 4, 6, 8 numbers like that. But I had lots of oddballs, but I made it work. After that is 26mm copper verdigris plated weathered compass. That's cute. That's really cute. It's thick too. I really love this. I definitely want to try and use that pendant. That is just precious. Okay. Oops, it did not go in a bag. After that, it's ceramic light brown barrel beads. These? Wow, these are really neat looking. It looks like they have a lot of, what's that, like a varnish, clear coat stuff on them? Those are pretty. They almost look like they're enameled metal, but it says that they're ceramic. Those are pretty. Oh, I have 5 again. I wonder if it's going to be like this again. Because I had 7 of those. Yeah, 5 of those. After that is 7x8mm check glass chili pepper color beads. That's going to be this. I skipped the lobster claw clasp. I was wondering. So that lobster claw clasp was up here below the crimp tubes. Copper ear wires with ball. 12mm copper lobster claw clasp. So there's the little clasp. Okay. So these are check rondelles. And I thought this color was called apricot because I've gotten this in fire polish before. I don't know if you could tell on the camera, but there is pink in this bead, flashes of pink. It's beautiful. Yeah, I love that in the check fire polish. They're beautiful beads. Oh my. This is so pretty. Did I get these in the camp out kit? Or maybe it was another color. So these are barrel glass beads. They're not Chinese. And it has this gold on it. One has a line, one doesn't. Those are beautiful. I like those a lot. Okay. And then we have these here. This is like a polymer clay, some kind of a clay. And see how they have jump rings there? It's so cool. They have some, I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's lapis or if it's plastic, but those are really neat. Those handmade beads. We have Chinese rondelle. These were clear, and they put this plating on them. They are matte. I really like those. I want to use those. And we have two of these. These are gorgeous with this. Ceramic beads, coin shaped. I love these beads. Okay. And we have disco beads. Yes. These are like 10 or 12 millimeter. Beautiful. Okay. And we have cubes. These are Chinese cubes. There's bronze luster on them. Okay, those are beautiful. We have more barrel beads. This one is a translucent white with the like apricot on it again, or bronze luster. And wow, oh, there's beads stuck inside of this. This is precious. This looks like a Pandora bead. Don't they sell this in sterling silver for the Pandora beads? I swear I've seen them. That's gorgeous. So pretty. And I will probably do 6/0 seed beads inside of this, so this isn't like swimming around on the beach anymore. I like to fill my beads up if they got big holes like that. And wow, this is really cool. Check out this metal bead. That's cool. And sometimes when I see fancy beads like this, sometimes I just don't want to string them, right? Because when you string it, it's going to look like this. And how exciting is that? So sometimes what I do is I try to make a design where I can use this on its side. So I take 2 pieces of wire. In order to do this, you have to do 2 pieces of wire. And I crisscross them through the bead, come out, and then bring them back together. And that way you get to see the bead at this angle, which shows more of the design. We have some Rivoli drops, more Chinese crystal, and again I'll probably put those on jump rings. They're super cute. And holy moly, I've never seen them give us so many spacer beads. And I will probably use all of these. There's a lot. So we don't have bead caps this time. This is the bead that's in place. They're star shaped. Those are cute. I like those. Okay. And then these little melon spacers. Those are precious. I love these. I have seen these in silver. Aren't those cute? These are Czech long Lucerna backhand beads. Topaz color. And we got three beads. Unless I lost it. I don't think I did. Matte Chinese crystal. Champagne color. And then we got more Chinese crystal and brown. And we got these little 4mm turquoise beads. Those are gorgeous. So this is it. I cannot wait to play with these. I think I'm gonna release these from the bag. Those are beautiful. This is gonna be fun. I might bring in some turquoise seed beads, but I don't know. I will see. I usually like to bring seed beads into this. They used to give us 1 strand of seed beads, which I thought made this kit be perfect. At least for me, because I love seed beads so much and I use them as spacer beads. But they kind of stopped doing it. They don't give us seed beads anymore. I don't know if maybe people complained that they didn't like seed beads, or what the deal is with that, but I thought that it was like a amazing part of this kit. So this is it. I cannot wait to play with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this opening, and remember, I will be doing a tutorial with this kit, so keep an eye out for that. This is it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, I will leave links down there below in the description bar. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.